McBurney with Keller Williams Realty, and I am answering your McBurning questions. This question is, I found a house I love the location, and the listing agent is saying I can't see it. I would have to purchase it sight unseen. What do I do? That's a really tricky situation, and basically the answer is subjective to the situation. So I've seen listings offered as is sight unseen because of conditions such as it could be condemned and it's a safety concern. So basically with that, you may have to purchase the property sight unseen, or you may have to negotiate some type of indemnification that would allow you to gain access to the property. But if something happens to you, whomever the owner is not going to be responsible. The second would be sight unseen as is because there's a tenant living there. And that would have me say, buyer beware. If you are placing an offer on a property to purchase with a tenant in it, when you close on that property, you take on that tenant. And now you may be subject to an eviction proceeding if you intend to occupy the property yourself. So be really careful there. And then the third circumstance, which it sounds like Cynthia gave me this question, this might be the case. It was vacant and they're saying you can't get in. So at that point, what I would do is perhaps make the offer sight unseen and make it subject to a home inspection or a viewing prior to home inspection. If it's vacant, there's really no reason why you shouldn't be able to get into the property. And so you could always make that offer, and your home inspection protection period would cover you in the event that you get in there and you don't like what you have to see. Hope this answers your question. As always, you can call, click, or text 978-337-9955 or visit sarahwillsellyourhome.com, and I'm happy to answer your questions.